everybody, so long time no see. It has been a while since I filmed a video. I injured my back a few days ago, like last week, and so I've just been kind of resting and all that kind of stuff, so I haven't had the opportunity to film, but I really wanted to film this video while the month of June was kind of getting into full swing, because if you did not know, June is Pride Month. And also, if you didn't know, a few months ago I came out on YouTube as bisexual, and so this look is really important to me because we don't have a lot of bisexual representation, and I think it's really important to have that representation. And so I figured I would create a look that you could wear to any Pride festivities. Like, I know a lot of cities have Pride festivals, all that kind of stuff. This tutorial is going to feature the brand new Morphe Pride palette. 100% of the proceeds of this palette go to the Trevor Project, which is incredible. It's only $20, which is insane. Today I created a look inspired by the Bi flag, which is pink, purple, and blue, and yeah, I love it so much. I'm actually wearing my Pride shirt from Box Lunch, and I love this shirt so much just because it does have the Pride flag on it. Like I said, we don't have a lot of representation. Even in the Pride community, a lot of people forget about the bisexual community, and it's kind of sad, honestly. Okay, so I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with Painterly Paint Pot by MAC. Then going into the Morphe Pride palette like this. It's so pretty. I'm going to go in with Make Magic right here. I'm going to put that on the inner corner, and then I'm gonna use 1978, which is this purple up at the top. Oh, I really like this color for like the center of the lid. It's so pretty. And then I'm going to take SF, which is this bright sparkly pink right here. And I'm going to take a 217 from MAC, and I'm just gonna like buff out the edges a little bit in the crease. I'm gonna use Peace, which is this shade right here. I'm gonna do hashtag Love Wins, which is this one right here, right above where I put the pink shade. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just blend everything. I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush, and I'm going to take just a random neutral. I'm using Makeup Geek Creme Brulee for this, but just any basic transition shade. A crease, so we like an upper crease, so we have like a transition between the colors and the brow. Take another flat shader, and I'm gonna just emphasize the shimmery shades that we put on there. Blend. I'm gonna dust away some of this fallout. So I'm gonna start off with the Milk HydroGrip primer. I've been trying this out the last couple days, still can't decide if I like it. Then I'm going to use the new Covergirl TrueBlend matte matte made foundation. The stupid CVS sticker covered up the name, so I'm not entirely sure what this Comfort Matte Finish, something like that. Anyway, I have L20. I only wore this for the first time yesterday, so I'm not entirely sure how I like it. I do really love the coverage. An Overachiever concealer from Huda Beauty, and I have this in Meringue. And then I'm going to set my face with the Coty Airspun. I'm going to do my brows off camera real quick. So brows are done. We're going to go back to the eyes a little bit. I'm going to do some on the under eye. I'm going to take this tiny little flat shader brush and just put the shades that we put in the crease on the lower lash line. I have Peachy, kind of neutral shade. It's right there. It's one of the few matte shades in this palette, which is kind of disappointing. It doesn't have a lot of matte shades, but I feel like this palette is kind of a supplement to most people's collections. I think most people would have just normal neutrals. Shader brush, I'm going to take the shade Milk, which is just a matte white. It's not as like crazy pigmented as like Jeffree Star Glucose is. And I'm going to take a little bit of Liberation, which is the shade in the corner, and it's just like a shimmery white with like some blue reflex in it. I'm actually gonna wet my brush. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Yeah, I don't know about that. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of Sugar Pill Lumi, which looks almost identical to that shade Liberation, but it's a lot finer, and I know that it's super pigmented. You can actually use Lumi as a highlight if you're like a face highlight, if you're really into like the unconventional highlight shades, because I know that's a big trend right now. I'm gonna do some liquid liner, just like a simple wing. Okay, I'm gonna throw on a little bit of mascara just to help with my lashes blending in with the falsies. Then for lashes, I'm going to be using the Ardell Faux Mink Demi Wispies. I usually wear the regular Demi Wispies, but I found these and I like them, but I've only ever worn them once, and I want to try them out again to see if I like them more than the regular Demi Wispies. I'm kind of undecided right now. They're a little stiffer than the regular Demi Wispies. And if you want, like, this is the time to do like crazy lashes. I know there are a lot of really cool lashes on the market, or you could just go like normal black ones. But I do know that like rainbow lashes exist. You could do those like really cool paper ones that are like cut out into different shapes and stuff. And I'm gonna throw on some bronzer. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Bobbi Brown Tawny blush. And then this product is new to me. This is the Smashbox Spotlight Palette in Pearl. And I'm going to use a mixture of these two. This one's a little too sparkly for my liking, but I really like these two. Use that on an e.l.f. highlight brush. I don't know, I just really love the glow that this gives. But if you're looking for something like really intense or like interesting looking, honestly Sugar Pill Lumi is like your best bet for like a really cool unique highlight. Before I do my lips, I'm gonna spray some setting spray. This is the Morphe one. Wow, that is like insanely fine mist. Holy crap. And then for lips, I'm going to use the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick. And this is in Fair Game. These are amazing. If you plan on being out all day, like eating and drinking and all that kind of stuff, get you one of these. It is legitimately the longest lasting lipstick I've ever used in my entire life, and they're really comfortable. Like, you honestly can't feel like anything is on your lips. If you want to, you could use like a hot pink or something with a little more pizzazz, but I think like a nude looks really good. And you don't have to worry about, like, when you're out doing your festivities, you don't have to worry about like a hot pink like smearing all over your face. So yeah, that is my finished Pride look. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and please request other looks you would like to see me do down below, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.